Hey, welcome back to Legal Clarity. I'm your host. Today we're covering something every parent with children needs to hear. How to make sure that when you die, your children actually receive their inheritance. Not your future spouse, not creditors, your children. There is one legal strategy that protects everything, and most parents have never heard of it. Let's get into it. Here is a scenario that happens more often than you think. A parent dies and leaves everything to their surviving spouse. The surviving spouse remarries. The new spouse inherits everything when the surviving spouse dies. And the children from the first marriage receive nothing. Zero. Despite a lifetime of work. Despite the original parents' clear wishes. This is not a rare edge case. This happens in blended families across the country every single day. And it is completely legal, unless you plan for it. The solution is a legal tool called a testamentary trust, or a QTIP trust, short for Qualified Terminable Interest Property Trust. Here is how it works. When you create your estate plan, instead of leaving your assets directly to your spouse, you leave them in a trust. Your surviving spouse can use the assets and receive income from the trust for the rest of their life. They are taken care of. But when your surviving spouse dies, the remaining assets go directly to your children. Not to a new spouse, not to stepchildren, your children. The trust creates a protected pathway that cannot be changed after your death. There are 3 additional strategies every parent should know. Strategy 1. Name your children as contingent beneficiaries on all accounts. This means if your spouse dies before you, the accounts go directly to your children. Strategy 2. Create a separate inheritance fund for your children. A life insurance policy with your children named as direct beneficiaries ensures they receive something, regardless of what happens to the rest of your estate. Strategy 3. Have an honest conversation with your current or future spouse. Make sure they understand your wishes and that you have documented them legally. A surprise estate plan after death creates conflict. A transparent plan discussed in advance creates peace. Here is the bottom line. If you have children and any chance of your surviving spouse remarrying, you need a QTIP trust or testamentary trust in your estate plan. This is not about distrust. This is about protecting the people you love most from a legal system that does not automatically do what you intend. Your children deserve the inheritance you work for. Make sure they receive it. And that's it for today. A QTIP trust, contingent beneficiaries, and a life insurance policy, 3 tools that guarantee your children receive what you intended for them. If this video helped you, share it with any parent in a blended family situation. They need to hear this. Subscribe so you don't miss next week, where we cover how to handle inheritance disputes between siblings and how to prevent them before they start. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.